Welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to be tackling this table with a twist and get it fixed where it is no longer wobbling and unlevel. Get it to where it's supposed to be today. Main problem that I have here that I'm going to be replacing is this Lazy Susan that's under here. I got it from a big box store. It's not very sturdy. It's just it was $5. You know, it made the project work at the time, but you know, over the long haul, it's not going to be able to manage it. So I wound up ordering this from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below, and get this put on. It's a 12-inch Lazy Susan ring, and it's rated for about 500 pounds. I'm not sure how it's going to do with this cantilevered over like this, but I think it'll sure hold up. There's really not any play in it at all, and I think it'll hold up a lot better. So without any further ado, let's get this thing fixed. Well, and there we go, a Lazy Susan that keeps the table level. Still wobbles a little bit, you know, but I guess that could be expected the way it's out there like that. But this here was just not doing it. This is just you know, cheapy, and I'm sure glad I did that. Had to make a few modifications to the Lazy Susan itself, drill a few holes, tap a couple holes, as you saw, but other than that, turned out good, and it is definitely ready for some use. Thanks for watching.